So far this is the complete rebuild of the 540. Completely repainted. Absolutely nothing from rust. We got the Reuter motorsport exhaust and a few other mods. Differential, brakes upgraded, and as you can see, the outside of the car is completely finished. It sounds amazing. Just on the inside there need to be a few updates. Like here, we're gonna make a carbon custom piece to finish that, otherwise refurbish the steering wheel. But other than that, the car is perfect. So one more sound check for you guys. Sounds amazing, isn't it? So we will continue updating the car and putting it online.